This is the GI pump. I'm gonna cross my left leg over my right, nice and tight. I'm gonna hike my left hip up toward my left rib cage. I'm gonna cross my left arm under my right, my hands on my shoulder, and I'm gonna try to compress a little bit with my arms down into my ribs. From here, I'm gonna set up, and then I'm gonna do 10 reps of driving my knee to my shoulder, exhaling on every rep. So after 10 of those, you're gonna unhook the legs, you're gonna stay up, right hand, left shoulder, left hand is gonna twist straight across the body, compressing the ascending colon. From there, I take my hand and I'm reaching it diagonally up and past my leg, exhaling every time, 10 reps. I'm gonna put both hands on my right clavicle, my elbows together, and I'm pushing straight up, exhaling each time, 10 reps. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. We'll do 10 reps, exhaling. I'm gonna have one hand on either clavicle, my elbows together, driving straight up for 10 reps. I have my left hand on my right shoulder, my right hand reaching up and across my body. 10 reps, coming a straight rotation across the body, 10 reps, and then I'm crossing my right leg over, my right hand under, and I'm driving my knees straight back towards my nose for 10 reps. Once you complete that, you can, if you choose, relax, take some deep breaths, and then when you're ready, we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna go in reverse. We're gonna follow the digestive tract. So from here, I'm taking my right leg now, crossing it over my left, both legs up, right arm underneath. I'm gonna sit up and I'm gonna drive my knees straight back to my nose, exhaling every time for 10 repetitions. I unhook the legs, left hand on the right shoulder, and I'm twisting over to my left, 10 repetitions. Now I'm reaching obliquely up and past my left leg, 10 repetitions. I have the hands on my left clavicle, my elbows together, and I'm pushing up to the ceiling, 10 reps. Same thing on the right, 10 reps. A hand on either clavicle, elbows together, 10 reps. Left hand reaching obliquely, up and across, 10 repetitions. Coming straight into the rotation, 10 repetitions. And then I'm gonna cross the left leg over the right, hike the left hip toward my left rib cage, left arm under, and I'm driving my knees toward my shoulder. 10 repetitions. Come down, relax. Take some nice deep breaths. That is the GI Pump abdominal series.